here, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 school life hacks to make your life at school just a little bit easier. So let's get on to the video. Every second counts when you're getting ready for school, so make a playlist of upbeat songs that take exactly the same amount of time as you do to get ready. Are you getting confused with the word affect and effect? Well, here's a trick to remember. Affect is an action, and affect and action both start with the word a. And then effect is a thing, hence that it's a noun. And if you still can't remember both of these things, you could always go with the word impact, and you'll never go wrong. If you need a quick way to remember which notebook goes to which class, you could take a highlighter and mark the top of each of your notebooks and remember which color corresponds to which class.
Hey, look what grade I got on my test, Sophie.
Wow, an A? See, I told you those life hacks would help.
Everyone needs to look at those life hacks because they really do help.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like our video and subscribe to our channel for new content. And I hope these school life hacks made your life at school a little less stressful. Bye.